Now, out of 35 students in a class, 26 play volleyball, 20 play 26 play football, 20 play volleyball. Given that 17 play both games, how many play neither of the games? Let us summarize this question in a Venn diagram, in a rough one. If this is our rough Venn diagram, we are having out of 35 students, it means our universal set is 35. In a class, 26 play football. So those that play football are 26. So football is 26. 20 play volleyball. So those that play volleyball are 20. Given that 17 play both games. So in the intersection, when they say both games, it means both football and volleyball. So those ones are in the middle here, 17. They play both games. Given that 17 play both games, how many play neither of the games? So if 17 play both games, how many are playing neither? Those that do not play any of the games are outside the circles. Let's call them an unknown x. So our task here is to find this value of x. So if 17 are playing both football and volleyball, then in this portion here, we are having those that play football only. So to get how many are here, remember this 26 covers everything in this circle. So to get what is only covering just this portion of the circle, only this, it means it's going to be 26 minus 17. And 26 minus 17, we get 9. So it is only 9 people here that play football only without playing volleyball. Then the ones that play volleyball, we said they are 20. It means these 20 covers everything inside this circle. They are the people who play volleyball. But amongst the people who play volleyball, there are those who play volleyball and football, which are 17. And then those ones that play volleyball only, they are this section. And those ones are, we can get them by saying this 20 minus the 17. And the answer we get here is 3. So there are only 3 students here that play volleyball only. So it means that our Venn diagram is now going to look like this. So that's how our new Venn diagram looks like. These ones play volleyball only. These ones play football only. But 9 plus 17 gives you 26. 17 plus 3 gives you 20. It means that whoever is inside this circle plays volleyball, and these 17 here are the ones that play both games. These 2 don't play any of the games. And our universal set here, or the total number of students, is 35. So we are required to find the value of x. So to find the value of x it means this 35, we write it outside here, meaning that everything that is inside here should equal to 35. So to get the value of x is x plus 3 plus 17 plus 9 should be equal to 35. And that's how we're going to get the value of x. So it means that x plus 3 plus 17 plus 9 should give us 35. And our answer there is going to become x plus 29 is equal to 35. X is going to be equal to 35. This 29 goes that way, it becomes 35 minus 29. And we shall remain with our value of x as 6 students. So it means it is only 6 students that do not play any of those games. Let's go on to the next question. In our next question, they're telling us that a group of 20 girls, in a group of 20 girls, so meaning 20 girls, meaning this is our universal set, there are a total of 20 girls, 16 play football, 12 play hockey, and 2 play neither of the games. Find the number of girls who play both games. Let's summarize our information in a rough Venn diagram here. So in a group of 20 girls, so meaning our universal set is 20 girls. That's the total. 16 play football. So those that play football are 16. And then 12 play hockey. So those that play hockey are 12. 2 play neither of the games. So 2 people do not play football, they don't play hockey, so they are not inside these circles. So these 2 is outside. 2 play neither of the games. find the number of girls who play both games. So the intersection, the ones who play both football and hockey, they are here X. So they're asking us to find the number. So we can first begin by filling this gap and that gap. This gap here, we know that whoever is inside this circle is playing football. So those who play football only is going to be this total, which is 16, minus those who play also hockey. So it's 16 minus X. Then even here, those who play hockey is the total. In this circle, they are 12. But those who play hockey only, this portion is going to be 12 minus X minus the people who play both games to get them. So our task here is to find the value of X, because the value of X here is the number of girls who play both games. And we shall get it by saying it is 2 plus this plus that plus this plus that plus this is equal to 20, which is the total number of girls. So we begin. So it's going to become 20, 2 plus 12 minus X plus X plus 16 minus X is giving us 20. So this is going to become 12 plus 2. So this is going to be 30. 30 minus X is equal to 20. So you remain here with negative X giving you 20 minus 30. Of course, here our value of X here is going to become 10. So it means our value of X is 10. So if our value of X is 10, it means the number of people who play both are 10. So it means our Venn diagram here is 16 minus 10, giving us 6. And here 12 minus 10, giving us 2. And so our Venn diagram will change to this. So that becomes our new Venn diagram. Please remember to share this video on other video sharing platforms and also subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for watching. This is Arnold Rangakuramya for Kisembo Academy.